Good morning. I am here to talk with you about this amazing all-natural cleaning product that I make and have been using in my cleaning business for since 2009. And the reason I want to share it with you is because as I show up to offer coaching and guidance in your cleaning business so that you can be more present with your children, I want you to have good health. And we all know that there are plenty of toxins we expose ourselves to in this modern day world. And if you are a professional cleaner or a homemaker and you're always using cleaning products, you're exposing yourself unnecessarily because I have an amazing all-natural cleaning product. Now, I wanted to show up and just say this is part of what I'm doing and let you know that you can get this all-natural cleaning product at Vitamins Plus in Hattiesburg, Mississippi, where we are doing a product demonstration today. So I am in the process of tying these labels around the bottles, and I've got my concentrate that I'll put in there and add water. This is a super concentrated mix so that the cost point is ridiculously good. My mom keeps telling me don't tell people this, but you can add water to this bottle over and over and it's still cleaning. So in nature, we have this amazing plant called eucalyptus, and that's what I use as the base of the cleaning product. There are other essential oils in there that make it smell delightful. And have you ever used bleach and felt like, oh, I'm so relaxed now? No. In your cleaning business, if you are providing this service all day, every day, and on weekends, and bringing home whatever you've put on your hands and in your person to your family, you want it to make you feel good, and you want it to help you have longevity in life, full of health and wellness. I've heard horror stories about people who have been professional cleaners and lifelong homemakers who end up with cancer and due to exposure to chemicals. So I don't want that for you. I want you to choose to limit the toxins in your life and have amazing aromatherapeutic benefits when you use the product. Not coughing, not sneezing, not holding your breath, not airing out the place, but and also not the vinegar. Oh my goodness, yes, the vinegar neutralizes the air, but DEkADENCE makes it smell amazing and neutralizes the air, and it makes you feel good while you use it. So even if you don't use DEkADENCE, I just strongly want to encourage you as a cleaner or a homemaker to use all natural products. And come see us at Vitamins Plus today. We're going to be doing a product demonstration from 10 to 12. If you're not in the Hattiesburg area, you can pick it up in the Jackson area at a few different locations. There's the Gathering Place, the restaurant in Livingston. Lovely restaurant, lovely store, love everything that the business owners are doing there. Great place. You can also pick it up at the Healthway Nutrition Center in Ridgeland. Awesome team there, great products. And the other place is in Clinton, Olive Branch. You can get the most amazing floral designs and gifts there. All right, well, I'm out of here. I hope you have a great day, and I'm gonna finish getting all this ready before my little one wakes up on the other side of that door. Have a great one.